What's up, everyone? Let's talk about BNGO, Bionano Genomics, and NNDM, Nano Dimensions. First up is BNGO. The company just announced its public share offering today. Is this a bad thing or a good thing? And should you buy in the dips? Second is NNDM. The company just finished its recent stock offering. Also, is this a good time to buy? In this video, I will also share with you the upcoming news catalysts that you should be paying attention to. And yes, I will provide you my price prediction and what I've been doing. So stick around, I think you might like what I have in store for you. Hi, my name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. I'm a former engineer and data analyst to an entrepreneur and investor. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology companies for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. This video is for pure entertainment only. I am not licensed. However, that does not mean I won't provide you with the facts that will supercharge up your portfolio. All I ask in return is that you smash the sub button below. Please do like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think of BNGO and NNDM. I will see you there. With that all the way, let's get right into it. First up is Bionano Genomics, or BNGO. On Sunday, I made a video stating that BNGO is a buy and that it could dip due to its massive run-up following the conclusion of the biotech's next-generation cytogenomics symposium. I also stated that it has potential to run up to $12 to $15 target. This prediction still holds. So what happened today? BNGO announced a public stock offering this morning. Before market open, it was down 18% or $6.95. It did rebound after market open. At the time of this recording, it was trading in the $8 range. It is down about 12%. We have seen this before. On January 8th, BNGO filed the SEC for its stock offering. The stock dipped and rebounded at later dates. There's a pattern here. It is interesting to note that the phrase stock offering is equivalent to sell, sell, sell for the bears. And for the bulls, buy, buy, buy. Depending on which camp you're in, you will either sell or buy. I am in the buy camp. I initiated a tiny position of 200 shares today, and I will be buying more when I free up my capitals. Today's dip is a good entry point for those who believe in BNGO story. It's volatile in this morning and have traded in a narrow range later in the day. It formed a potential bullish doji candlestick pattern. Obviously in its confirmation tomorrow, but I bet the stock will rise in the after hours and pre-markets tomorrow. I expect the stock to rebound and go higher. The doji candlestick pattern basically indicates that the BNGO stock could go either direction, up or down. Pay close attention to the following. Watch for a breakup above the $8.60 level. If it does, it will go up to the $12 to $15 range. There's a news catalyst that will further boost its run-up. The Festival of Genomics and Biodata this coming January 26 to 29. And yes, BNGO will be there to present and sell its technology. My long-term outlook for this stock is $25 to $35 range. However, if the sales continue, do watch for the breakdown at the $7.60 level. It could reach a $5 level, but with its bullish uptrend, this is highly unlikely. Next up, Nano Dimension. It just completed its recent stock offering. All I know is that every time they announce an offering, I buy in the dips. They now have $1 billion in war chest. They intend to utilize the investment for pursuing strategic opportunities, implying that they could be acquiring companies for growth and expansion. They also plan to further its R&D or research and development. Guys, this is all positive. It has been getting a lot of attention since Cathie work of ARK Investment has been buying them. I've been trading and investing in this stock since it was in the $3 range. Note guys, this company is in its infancy stage. It's a niche player. It's a pre-profit company. So know this before you plan to buy the stock and that you're buying into its future potential. As we all know, all electronic devices contain a PCB or printed circuit board. This is the backbone of electronic devices. When a company wants to produce a new product, it costs the company a lot of money to create prototype in small batches. To do this, they form a team of engineers and designers to design the prototype on computer and send it to suppliers for samples to be made. And they repeat this process for several times until the design meets their expectation. This can cost the company a lot of money and a lot of time as prototyping is not cheap. The development phase is lengthy and can be an expensive process. Note that every time a company sends out its design to its supplier, it risks the potential of theft on its intellectual properties. Once a company has its final working prototype, it can send it out to its supplier in China for mass production. So how does Nano Dimension come into play to solve this problem? Well, it created a printer called Dragonfly that allows the company to prototype in-house, keep it confidential before market launch. It can speed up the production launch and save the company a lot of money. The machine's true advantage is the ability to print on flexible circuit board materials, where no other company have this technology. There are many applications for this. Think of military and sportswear wearables. Their business model is very similar to Hewlett-Packard printer model. At one point in my life, I was a manufacturing engineer and supply chain manager at Hewlett-Packard. So I know this business model very well. Think about this. For every one printer Nano Dimension sell, they will have a recurring revenue for its printer ink business. When I was at Hewlett-Packard, they would make anywhere between 3 to 5% per printer. However, with the ink cartridges, they would make anywhere between 250 to 300% easily. I can guarantee that it's more profitable for NNDM to sell its ink than selling the printers. Of course, the more printers they sell, the more profit they will make from the ink sales. Note, they only have 60 machines sold worldwide. However, their customer list is growing rather quickly with clients such as US government, university, high-tech companies, etc. Let's take a look at the 9 months chart. The MACD AMD is very bullish, stochastic RSI is reaching the overbought territory, so there might be a slight pullback for an entry point. I did pick up 500 shares, so the question is it a good time for you to get in? I think so, and here's why. Nano Dimension had an interview on Sunday, and in it mentioned that NNDM will potentially be added to Cathie Wood's ARK Investments' new SPACE ETF or ARKX. We all know that Cathie Wood loves NNDM as she's been buying it for one of her ETF. My price prediction for the short term is $13 to $15 range within 2 weeks. My long-term price target is $25 to $35. So what do these stocks have in common? For one, they're both pre-profit companies. They're both under $12, and they're both growth stocks. And yes, these stocks will 3x to 5x this year. So there you have it. If you find the content of this video valuable, please smash the sub button below. If you have not already done so, please also hit that like button, do share, and comment. Thank you for your support. Let's go make some money.